All right, welcome back. Yes, a code red day for today and tomorrow. We have the threat of severe weather for parts of the viewing area this evening, and then, of course, the full-on blizzard that looks to get going tonight and into tomorrow. 48, 57, and 54 in your first forecast. It is going to be a very classic spring blizzard, and that means severe weather for some of you and a lot of snow for some of you, especially the further north and northwest you go. I am concerned at a little bit of icing, and we'll talk more about that here in a second. But let's talk about it. All right, where's it at later on this evening? Here's our low moving out of Colorado. By tomorrow morning, it's shifting into south central Nebraska. By tomorrow night, it's shifting up into the northeast part of the state. A slow mover, a very strong area of low pressure, and it will bring all forms of nasty weather to our viewing area. An enhanced risk of severe weather, that's a 3 out of a 5. Slight risk in yellow, including Grand Island and Kearney. Now, primary threat will be very large hail, probably larger than golf balls, and strong wind gusts of over 60 to 70 miles per hour. The tornado threat is not zero, but there's not a lot of moisture to work with. It's a limited amount of moisture, and that should limit the tornado threat, but it's not zero. We got to watch for everything here, especially down, I think, in northern Kansas. For those of you along Highway 36, you really got to pay close attention to any storms that would try to get going late this afternoon into this evening. There's your blizzard warning. Now again, the blizzard conditions will move in from northwest to southeast as we progress tonight into tomorrow. It will be a very sharp cutoff to the southeast with your snow totals. All right, let's go through the day. Notice that by 6 o'clock, it's already wintry weather from basically Imperial, North Platte, Broken Bow, O'Neill, northwestward. Scattered storms as you go south. I think your future cast may be a little too far north with this. But I also want to point out those areas of pink that you keep seeing showing up on your future cast. How fast we transition will, A, have a big impact on snow totals. B, we could see some icing concerns with sleet and freezing rain. And when you've got the winds associated with it, the threat of power outages will be there. Now, snow totals will drop off very fast as you go east and southeast. But up north, could be 1.5 feet of snow in some areas. Don't get too caught up in it, though, because with the winds gusting over 60, blizzard conditions will be seen even for those of you who are on the lower end of the snow totals. These are the current temps. It's still 60 in Phillipsburg, only 36 in Ainsworth. We got everything on the way these next 2 days. And the blizzard really will ramp up tonight into tomorrow. We bounce back quickly. 58 Sunday, 68 Monday, some scattered showers a possibility. I will stress this again. This is one of those systems that when you start to see it switch over to wintry weather in your area, you better plan on just staying put. Because again, it's not just about how much snow you're going to get. There will be a lot of snow up north. It's also those 50 to 60 mile per hour winds that are going to be a big problem. Tri-Cities, worst of it comes in overnight into tomorrow morning, and realize the further northwest you live, the sooner you're going to have to deal with it.